Hey guys, welcome back to Kryptonite, because I believe that cryptocurrency is the kryptonite of our modern financial system, and I love it. Guys, we have some major Bitcoin news, more mass adoption. We also are going to take a look into the charts. I have a live trade going on right now that is currently in the positive, and I'm hoping that it'll come to fruition, and I'm going to show you my predictions for the future of Bitcoin. So let's just jump right in the charts and let's get right into it. All right, guys, so if we're looking at the charts now, I was actually saying this in my last video. I said this was looking like a bear flag. We have big downside here and then what looks like a sort of consolidation kind of pennant. So I was saying in my last video that I think we're going to break down out of this because I think this is a bear flag formation. Now the target for a bear flag formation is pretty gnarly. This is going to make you probably not be so happy anymore. If I get that out of the way. So it should be from the top of the flag to the bottom from the breakout point, which would be pretty dang low. But you know, honestly though, when you look at that, right, we've got our ascending support here on the longer time frames in this ascending channel. So really, this bear flag pattern could play out to the T, and we could come back and test support here at this ascending channel around 40,000, which would be a very strong psychological resistance and has also proven to be a very strong resistance point in general in the crypto market, especially with how bullish things are. So my trade right now that I'm in, you can see it right here on the right-hand side. I got in here around 43.7, and I'm hoping that it'll come all the way down to around, actually I have it a little higher. I think I have it around about 41-ish right there. So right now things are looking pretty good. Just need to go a little farther and I'll hopefully win this trade. Guys, I was predicting that I think we would see downside from this pattern. We came up, we hit the 200-day moving average. We've been going down ever since. And it just makes sense. If you look at the context of this ascending triangle, I mean, it all makes sense in context, right? We came up, we tested the ascending triangle. Now we're going to come all the way back down, probably come retest the support here and then continue our ascending triangle, hopefully. And I do think this will play out because, guys, the markets are so bullish. More and more Bitcoin is making it into the news on the daily. And I'm going to show you that in just one sec. So look, here's some massive news here on my Twitter channel. Actually, Lark Davis tweeted this and I went ahead and retweeted it. Here's my Twitter if you want to hop on that. Shopify is going to accept Bitcoin payments. That's huge. This is a massive company. And it's just gonna be great for them to avoid, credit card issues, right? You send them their Bitcoin, that's it. It's in their wallet, case closed. So just another adoption story. And as I mentioned in my last video, we do have, we do have Mexico, which is looking like they want to potentially have Bitcoin be legal tender. So there's just one of many stories that are coming out on the daily showing that crypto is here to stay and it's not going anywhere. So guys, again, for the immediate short term, I am expecting more downside for Bitcoin, again, coming down, retesting 40 to 41,000 before getting supported and continuing upward. The fundamentals right now are absolutely off the charts insanity. I don't see us breaking the support and going lower. I don't think we are in a bear market. I think we're going to continue this uptrend. But as always, when it comes to any of these patterns, I mean, you go up, you go down, you go up, you go down. That's just the nature of the market. So I'm trying to take advantage and win some short positions as well as some long positions. Now I do have most of my portfolio. I'm talking 90+% of my portfolio is just holding. I'm just holding and staking and farming, and that's it. And I'm just letting it do its thing. I would advise you do the same. You can have a small bit to play with as a trader, but just expect to lose, especially early on. And expect to be a long learning curve to be able to trade successfully. I've been studying this for a little over a year and a half now, every single day. So I'm starting to do better with my trades and my trade psychology. It's really more about the psychology than it is the actual technical analysis. You just have to understand, to buy low, sell high, and just know what triggers to buy and sell on that are just unemotional. You just, oh, there's the trigger, I go for it, boom. So guys, as always, make sure to save your money, grow your money. Kryptonite out.